Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all are safe at home. Okay, in the previous class, what we are discussed? Dividing 4 digit by 2 digit numbers. Then first we are divide by multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, that like numbers. The next, dividing without reminders. Okay, in that time we will discuss one equation. What is that equation? Are you remember? Using quotient, remainder, divisor and dividend. One equation is there. What is that? I told you to you write this notebook and put a box. What is that equation? Yes, quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. In the first, without reminders means that equation only quotient into divisor, that's equal to dividend. We will do one problem using that equation. Are you do? Okay. Today we are discussing one new topic. Before that, I have some sweets are there. 67 sweets are there. In my hand, 67 sweets are there. In my hand, 67 sweets are there. Okay, here 5 students are sitting in the front bench. They need that sweets. Are you ready to give that sweets to that 5 students only? You're ready. So I give to that sweets to that 5 students. Then, how many sweets they get? We'll check it. That we know that how you get the number of sweets. Yes, division. So, 67 divided by 5. 67 divided by 5. In 6, how many 5s are there? Only one 5. So, 1. 1 into 5, 5. Then after that what we do? Subtracting 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? 1. The next digit we want to write down. 7. Now 17. 17, how many 5s are there? 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 is the? No. 15 only. So how many 5s are there? 3. So here 3. 3 into 5? 15. 17 minus 2? Sorry, 17 minus 15? 2. Okay, look here. When I distributing this 67 sweets to 5 children, each one get 13 sweets. How many sweets? 13 sweets. But in my hand, 2 is remaining. So here, remainder is, what is the remainder? 2. So in the first section, dividing without reminders. Today we are discussing how to divide. The remainder is with reminder. Dividing with reminder. Today we are discussing with the dividing with reminder. Okay. Today we are discussing dividing with reminder. Okay, are you remember that equation? So we will check from here. What is it? 13 into 5. What is the value of 13 into 5? 3 into 5, 15. 1, carry. 1 into 5, 5. Plus 1, 6. 1 into 5, 5. Plus 1, 6. Then, remainder is there. Here we need 67 dividend. So plus 2. Yeah, our answer is correct. You look. Quotient into divisor is 65 plus remainder. Remainder is 2 plus 2. We got 67. So this answer is correct. So we can make that equation here. We can write this equation here. What is equation? Yeah. The quotient into divisor remainder is equal dividend. Okay, this put in a box. It's very important. Okay, then we will do next problem. Are you ready? First question. 6,174 divided by 11. 6,174 divided by 11. Long division method. Okay. First we are draw long division. Okay. That inside we are writing the dividend. What is the dividend here? 6,174. What is divisor here? We are writing outside 11. Then here 2 digits. So we are taking first 2 digit. First 2 digit is 61. In 61 how many 11s are there? Check it. Here 10's place is 1. Here 6. So which number we multiply with 1? We will get 6. 6. So we will check 11 into 1. Sorry, 11 into 6. What is 11 into 6? 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 6, 6. 66. But here only 61. So 6 11s are there? No. So next number 5. 11 into 5, 55. Okay, so here below 61. So we are choosing 5. 5 into 11. 5 into 11. 155. 155. 55. Then 1 minus 5 is not possible. So we are taking 1 from here. This 6 become 5. 1 become 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 5 minus 5, 0. So next digit 7. In 67 how many 11s are there? Good. 66 11s are there. 6. 6 into 11, 66. 67 minus 66. 7 minus 6, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. Next digit 4. In 40 how many 11s are there? 1 11, 11, 2 11, 22. So how many 11s are there? 1. 1 into 11, 11. Here remainder 14 minus 11, 3. So remainder is 3. Divisor 11, quotient 561 and dividend 6,174. Okay, you check this quotient is correct or not using this equation. You can do another problem. Okay, next question. 8,040 divided by 90. 8,040 divided by 90. 8,040 divided by 90. 8,040 divided by 19. In 80, how many 19s are there? We will check it. 19 into. Which number we want to multiply? Here look, 1, here 8. Which number we multiply with 1? We will get 8, 8. So we will check 8. 8 into 9, 72, 7 carry, 188, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 15. So it's not possible. So we will check next number. 8 is not the 7. 7 into 9, 63. 3, 6 has carry. 1 to 7, 7. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6, 13. So that also not we'll check 5. Here 80 only, here 100 above. So we'll choose skip 2. 5. 9 into 5. What? 45. Okay. 4 as carry. Then 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So 95. 5 also 95. Then almost nearest here. Okay, so we'll choose next number. 4. 9 into 4, 36. 3 as carry. 1, 4, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So, how many 19s are there? 4 19s. 4 into 19, 76. Then what we do next? Yes, we want to subtract. 0 minus 6 is not possible. We are taking 1 from this 8. This 8 becomes 7. The 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Next digit is 4. In 44, how many 19s are there? 19 into 4, 76 only. So we'll check it next. 19 into 3. 9 into 3, 27. 7, 2, 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 57 only. So next number 19 into 2. 19 into 8. 1 as carry. 1 into 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 38. So we are choosing 2. 2 into 19, 38. Then we are taking 1 from this tens place. 4 minus 8 is not possible. So we are taking 1 from this 4. This 4 become 3. This 14. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 8. Yeah, 6. Next number 60. In 60 how many 19s are there? So 90 into 5 we can choose. 5 into 45. 4. 4. 155. 5 plus 4, 9. So that's not possible. The next. Here you look 2 into 19, 38. 2 into 19, 38. So next digit. Which number? Here 38. Here we needed 60. So above 2. 19 into 3. That we already find out. What is the value? 19 into 3. 57. What is that? 57. So subtract 10 minus 7, 3. What is the remainder here? 3. Divisor 90. Dividend 8040. Quotient 423. Okay. We will do one more problem. You do alone this question. Then after doing only you just look here. Okay. 3084 divided by 3084 divided by 71. 3084 divided by 71. After doing only you listen here. Okay. Okay. look here. Your answer and my answer is same. Check your answers. I want to explain here. Okay, in 30, we are choosing 2-digit number. 30, how many 71s are there? No 71. So we are choose 0 here. 0 into 71, 0. So subtracting 30 minus 0, 30. The next number 8. In 308, we'll check it. How many 7s are there? 71s are there. 71 into 2, 7 into 14. 142 only. So next number 71 into 3. 213. We needed the 308. So 71 into 4. 4 into 1 into 4, 4. 7 into 4, 28. Okay. Then 4. The next number extra 30. More than 30 is 380 is there. You check it. 71 into 5. 7 into 5, 35. So 350 something you will get. So I am choosing 4 here. Okay. Then after subtracting we will get 24. 24 next digit is 4. 244. How many 71s are there? In 4, 284. So it's not 4. 2, 142. So in between 3 is there. 230. So I choose here 3. Then 3 into 71, 230. After subtracting, 31 is the remainder. Okay. Divide with the reminders. Reminder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So some problems are there. Your textbook, first workbook, page number 19. Dividing with the reminders. Divide 4568 divided by 6 and find the quotient and remainder. Write the quotient and also the remainder. From here you divide and write the quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to, remainder is equal to, that like you write. Then check the mistake in the division. Here some mistakes are there. Show the correct here you correct you divide here and check your answer using this equation. Then for divide the sum of 4618 and 1122. Then first you want to find the sum. That sum you want to divide by 22. Okay. And then textbook. Dividing with reminders. First find the quotient and remainder. For 1-digit numbers are the first question. So first you divide the numbers, each numbers, then write the quotient and reminders. Divide and verify your answer. Here you divide, then using this equation you verify the result. Third, divide the difference 7472 and 6348 by 25. Okay, first you find the difference. 7472 minus 6348. Then after the difference, finding the difference, that difference divided by 25. Okay. So today we are discussing dividing 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. In that section, dividing with reminders. Some problems we are dividing, we will get reminders. So how you get the reminders and quotient? And what is the relation that we are discussing? Okay. I hope all are understand this portions. If you have any doubt, you just contact me. Have a nice day. Thank you.